Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 111 of Surah Al-MAIDA and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ أوحيت إلى الحواريين أن آمنوا بي وبرسولي for مخرج الفاء circle your lips فتح open your jaws attach with dal had رخاوة is flow of sound and that has zab sound this إذ وإذ أو this is lean wow lean so make it soft make it 2 counts long أو hay ha from your throat and ya is from ya is lean so make it soft and make it 2 counts long hay two for the circular lips the sound is short e for kasra give e sound lal tawassut on lam ha for fatha open jaws it should be from your throat ha wa 2 counts long ri I'll repeat it again for ya there is ya with sukoon which is attached with ra rakhawa. So there is never, yes, there is never, but the sound should not cut off. Re, it will continue. It will not has the sound should not cut off in between. Re, and then it is 2 counts long. Na, papa top on jaws, and give the wasut and the hukm idhar. And 2 counts long. Me, for kasra give e sound. No, 2 counts long for the circular lips and remove the mud from nasal sound. B, 2 counts long. Makhraj of vowel circling your lips of top on just the sound is short. B, for kasra give e sound. Ra, give takrar on ra and make sure you engage the right place for ra. Ra and ra is heavy. Su for the circular lips make it 2 counts long. Li 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy and alif is heavy too. Lu make it 4 counts long, mad munfasil jais. And for dhamma, circle your lips and remove the sound from your nose when you make it long. Lu, 2 counts long. Man, noon has gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Wash. And make sure when you're saying sheen, your lips should not be very hard or it has any certain position. It should be on their normal position. Wash. The tafashi is in your mouth, not out in your lips. There is nothing to do with the lips when you are saying sheen. Wash. And whenever you're practicing, look in your mirror and make sure lips are not taking any position. Wash. Hade. Fatha upon jaws attached. Dal is majhura and it has qalqala, which should be very clear. Hade. Clear means there should not be have any humps. So the qalqala is very shadid. Hade. B for kasra give E sound. And this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, 2 counts long. Mus for the circular lips attached with seen. As you will touch seen, your lips should be straight but not stretched behind. Mus. Seen is light and it has rakhawa and safir. Musli for kasra give E sound. Moon. Because of this fact, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat sukun. وَإِذْ أَوْحَيْتُ إِلَى الْحَوَارِيِّينَ أن آمنوا بي وبرسولي قالوا آمنا واشهد بأننا مسلمون. إذ for Gusragib E sound attached to dal will get sifa of raqawa, and raqawa has zabzaba sound, and it should be heard very clearly. إذ qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. Lal, give the wasat on lam. Ha from your throat, put up and jaws. Wa, circling in lips, make it two counts long. Re. It should continue because ya has rakhawa. It has nabar, but it has nakhawa too. So the sound should not cut off in between. Riyuna for fatha and it is two counts long. Yuna for fatha just the sound is short. Ya, make it two counts long. Ain from your throat. Focus and make it two counts long. Sab. Give qalqala with majhura sound. Na for fatha jaws. Mar. It has tawassut but not rakhawa, and ra has takreer. Yeah, for fatha jaws. Ma for fatha jaws, the sound is short. Hal, give the tawassut. Yes, give the rakhawa, and it has a p, and it is light. Yes, ta is very shadid for fatha jaws. Ta is matbaqa, make it two counts long. It has its baq, it is extra heavy letter. Ru for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Rab, ba has shidda. Bu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ka for fatha jaws. Ay, it should be in your nose very nicely. Ay, idgham with gunna, so keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. You for the circle ellipse. Naz for fatha jaws, give rakhawa and safir on za. Nazi for kasra, give e sound. La for fatha jaws. Ain from your throat for fatha jaws. Lay, ya is yailin, so make it soft, make it two counts long. Lay, na, two counts long. Mad muttasil wajib. E for kasra, give e sound. Da for fatha jaws. Dam, idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mi for kasra, give e sound. Nas, give rakhawa and safir, and it is light on sin. Nasa for fatha jaws. Ma, whenever there is a hamza after the mad letter and you are giving waqf here, so there are three sharait conditions for hamza to give nabar here. So number one, it should be after hamza should be after mad letter, and here you should be giving waqf. So then you are giving nabar on hamza. So listen how we will give number here. Ma, and make sure when you are stretching, you're not keeping the sound in your nose. Minas sama. Qaf is heavy, make it two counts long. Let, give shidda here. The sound will cut off here because ta is among shidda letters. Remember which shidda letters are? Ajid, qatim, bakat. قالت اتقوا الله. Qaf is heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is the mab for it. قل لا لا. Ha for fatha open. Just keep ha light. Lafz jalala is heavy, but not ha. Ha. And there is kaf coming up. So this ikhfa, you are blocking the makhraj. Qaf and qaf. Qaf and kaf. Whenever you are giving ikhfa. When you are giving ikhfa with these two letters, you are blocking the makhraj, and it will be heard like you are giving idhar, but it's not izhar. It has different mechanism. Kun, kun. Can you feel the difference of ikhfa with qaf and with ta? Yeah. Can you feel? In kuntum. Now there is idgham shafawi. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. This is idgham shafawi. Kum. The sound will cut off here. Mu, mi. For kasra give e sound. Ni. Because of this fa, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lisakun. إذ قال الحواريون يا عيسى ابن مريم يا عيسى ابن مريم هل يستطيع ربك أن ينزل علينا مائدة أن ينزل علينا مائدة من السماء قال اتقوا الله إن كنتم مؤمنين. Qaf is heavy, so alif is heavy too. Whenever alif is with qaf, a heavy letter, it will be heavy. If alif will be in with light letter, alif will be light. So it can change its status. It can be heavy, it can be light, depending on the letter it is coming with. Okay. So here it is heavy. Qaf is heavy. Make it 2 counts long. Lu for the circle ellipse. Make it 2 counts long. Nu for the circle ellipse. And the sound is short. Ri 2 counts long. And ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ri du for the circle ellipse. The sound is short. And this is idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. And you're cutting off the sound very abruptly because it is attached with Hamza, and Hamza is among Shadid letters, and Shadid letters have the sound which has to be cut off. The makhraj is blocked. Na, ku for the circle ellipse, la for fatha upon jaws, min for kasra give e sound attached with noon, suffice the wasat and hukmuhu idhar. Ha 2 counts long. Huwa makhraj of waw. Circling your lips with fatha open jaws. Taqo. This ta is light, but lafz and but ta is heavy. Taqo. And this ta is mutbaqa, and it has qalqala. Taqo. Ma for fatha open jaws. In for kasra give e sound attached. No, let's say qunna. This qunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Qaf is heavy for dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lu for dhamma, circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Bu for dhamma, circle ellipse, and the sound is short. Na 2 counts long. Huwa makhraj of waw, circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Na ain from your throat, and it has the wasat but not rakhawa, so it should not be too long. Na, just give the sound from your throat, and that's it. Na. La for fatha open jaws, ma for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. This the qaf is heavy, so the ikhwa will be heavy too. And you're blocking the makhraj, and it will seem like you're saying adhar, but it is not izhar. Qad. Qaf is heavy, but dal is light, and it is majhura. Give the qalqala very nice and clear sound. Qad. Sad is heavy. Make it heavy. This is mutbaqa letter for fatha upon jaws. Daqo. And dal is light, but qaf is heavy, and it has qalqala. Daqo. Ta. Ta for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Na. 2 counts long. Uwa for makhraj of circular lips for fatha upon jaws. Na for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Ku. 2 counts long for dhamma circular lips. Na for fatha upon jaws. A. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay. Ya is yeah, lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. Ni, for kasra, give E sound. Nash, make sure you are not giving lips any shape. For sheen, the fashi is within your mouth, not out there. Nash, this is raqawa, the fashi. Nash, sha, 2 counts long. He, for kasra, give E sound. Deen, because of the work, giving temporary sakun here. This temporary sakun has turned this 2 counts long all into 4 now. This is madarat sakun. قالوا نريد أن نأكل منها وتطمئن قلوبنا ونعلم أن قد صدقتنا ونكون عليها من الشاهدين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.